Greetings, comrades! This is Neffex and Caleb, back with another unboxing video. I actually do this in my living room because I'm busy installing some updates on the living room PC, because it's been a while since I turned it on. And yeah, this actually just came in a few minutes ago, and this is another controller, and it's what I've been interested in for quite a while now. I've seen a lot of YouTubers cover it. Drip Media Gaming's covered it. Mad Little Pixel, I believe, covered this. And I believe Rock Solid Productions covered this as well. I think also 128 kilobytes, he also covered this. Really solid control from what I heard, and I figured I'd give it a try. This is the MobaPad Chitu Pro Controller. Well, with the MobaPad wireless switch controller, mechanical face buttons, yeah, that's one of the things. MobaPad Chitu HD mechanical controller, because unlike most of the controllers I have, these uses mechanical switches for the face buttons, which is pretty interesting. And it's nothing new, because there are several kits for like vanilla controllers that you can install clicky buttons on and stuff like that. And there are some other controllers that have mechanical face buttons, some better than others, but we'll not get into that. But yeah, not exactly straight, so let me yeah, that's the living room PC. It's, again, checking on some updates and whatnot. But anyway, the MobaPad Chitu. Now, MobaPad has been making some controllers for a while. There's another controller they have that I might get later on. But they're most recently been known for the M6 Joy-Con replacements, which I heard are really good. So you can only get them from their website. They're not available on Amazon as of yet. But anyway, it says HD linear motors, Hall electromagnetic joysticks, 6-axis features, mechanical buttons, and NFC. And I got the Chinese and got the English translation down there. So yeah, unlike a lot of third-party controllers, this does have NFC, which even my beloved 8-bit Ultimate Bluetooth controller doesn't have NFC, which I don't have any amiibos, so it's no big deal for me, but you know, not every controller is created equal. MobaPad. And yeah, pretty simple back here. Hall electromagnetic joysticks. Just say Hall effect joysticks, because that's what they are. And funnily enough, you can see the screen cap I have here. It says Alps joysticks, then later Hall effect joysticks. Like, which is it? Like, it's one or the other. Like, don't confuse a consumer like that. You know, mechanical buttons, HD linear motors, so it's supposed it's going to have HD rumble, which a lot of third-party controllers don't have. Macro programming, which some controllers do have. 6-axis features, so it's going to have gyroscope controls, which is good. And no knife this time, because there's no piece of tape to remove. Alright, let's just open this bad boy up. Well, also if I take off the other flaps here. But yeah, even though I'm on vacation, I've been doing quite a bit of stuff. Yeah, I was renewing my driver's license, cleaning up the garage. I had to take my car to the shop to check out the struts and brakes and get new tires. And I got the alignment fixed. And here's a big thing. Yes, just yesterday, I went to see my niece's graduation. Okay, here we go. Slide it out here and well, there we go. Okay, nothing else in the box. And yeah, pretty simplistic packaging, really. No fancy, presentation like Hyperkin or custom controllers and whatnot. Anyway, what just dropped? Oh yeah, this thing doesn't have advertised. It has a swappable D-pad, which it comes with like a sort of hybrid D-pad, but it also comes with a traditional 4-way D-pad if you're into that. Here's a Type-C cable, and it doesn't look very long. It looks like it's yeah, it's pretty short, about 3 feet. So yeah. I don't know what is it with some controllers having short cables, which I guess they're mainly for charging if they're wireless controllers, which, I guess it makes sense. But at the same time, some people like to use it wired, so just give them like a Give them the ability to go wire, but not give them a short ass cable. And of course the instruction manual, you know, gotta have that. And you know, but this time I'm actually gonna look into it just to see what else it has. It just gives you a little diagram. So yeah, has 2 back buttons, so you can program those to, you know, they have one of the face buttons or whatnot. And other than that, it's pretty much your standard Switch controller. You know, same layout and everything. But yeah, it does have NFC. Has Hall effect joysticks, of course. Channel LEDs. Which, I'm not sure what that's for. Is this a controller or a TV remote? Compared to the Nintendo Switch. Connected Bluetooth. Wire connection to PC. Connecting to Apple devices. Connecting to Android device. Macro programming. Macro loop. Turbo mapping. Rapid fire frequency adjustment. And switch light controls. Okay, it just changes the color of the logo there. Okay. Here's the standard fare now. Here is the controller itself. You have a cellophane sleeve and... Wow, it's... I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit smaller than I thought it'd be, but then again, it does sort of mimic the dimensions of a standard Switch Pro controller. But yeah, Hall effect joysticks, gotta love them. I also gotta love the friction rings they have around the joystick housing, so it's not running on bare plastic, so you're not gonna scratch the sides of the joysticks that much. Ooh. Yep. Mechanical face buttons. Nice. Though they sit pretty low. Probably can't tell through the camera here, but yeah, they're a bit shorter than their average. Actually, let me see if we can. Yeah, they're pretty short, but very satisfying mechanical click. I think the face buttons are membrane, as far as I can tell. I didn't mean to turn the controller on. I was going to charge it beforehand. Here's the D-pad. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Though, how easy is it to swap out the D-pad? Like, oh, you just pull it out. There's always some D-pads out there. They require a bit of force. So is there a specific... I just need to look at it carefully because it's shaped the... Okay, so this is something to keep in mind. Let me get up again. Right here, there's this little notch. If I see that corner there where my thumb is, there's a little notch there, and this D-pad. See, there's a little notch there, so it just tells you the correct way to put it in. It feels a bit loose though. Come on. There we go. It wasn't in all the way. Oh, that feels real nice. But I really like hybrid D-pads, so I'll probably slap this back on later. Okay, so how do you power it off? Okay, we're gonna mention the back buttons here. Yeah, easy for me to reach because I can rest my middle fingers on them. How do you turn it off? Just hold the home button. But yeah, let me look through the instructions real quick. But yeah, this is a pretty interesting controller. Again, I hear a lot about this controller, mainly for the Hall effect joysticks and the mechanical face buttons, and the swappable D-pads. I kind of wish it came in different colors because when I checked the Amazon page, there's only 2 colors. There's this one and pink. Yeah, I could have gone for the pink one, but you know. I could have broke up my feminine side, but you know. It's pretty much basic controls here. But yeah, for mapping buttons, you gotta hold the gear button for a few seconds. Then that logo light will turn purple. Then you can assign your buttons and press one of the back buttons to set it in. So I'm trying to read and talk at the same time, so yeah. Yeah, I'm not doing like complex combos or anything, I'm just mapping one of the face buttons on there. But, yeah, what else do we got here? So, it has pretty much like any other console. So the pairing button. Where's a pairing button? Okay, so this is the, okay. This is the turbo button. That's the macro button. That's what we use to program the back buttons. Wow, the pairing button's back here. Okay, they're the back buttons. This here is the pairing button. So that's pretty interesting how it's in the back. Usually you expect it like on the top next to the Type-C port, or you know, somewhere that's not the back. But hey, gotta make it stand out, you know. But anyway, there is the MobaPad Chitu HD mechanical controller. I'm gonna charge this bad boy up and see how it plays, and have a review later down the road. For now, I'm trying to like catch up on my controller reviews. Like I still need to review that 8BitDo SN30 Pro controller I have, and a few other controllers. Then I'll definitely give this the business. Anyway, this is Ungiven Caleb signing out. Have a good day.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,